we are back with the super duper. I ain't never seen one go that fast. Holy Lord, what in the world? That sucker is spinning. What? Something ain't right. Super Spin by LG. Golly. That sucker is moving. God. It just can't be right. It cannot be supposed to be doing.
It's making a lot of noise.
That's a damn washing machine, man. It was doing a spin cycle.
And you wash your machine making this noise?
Huh? Pull the extractor?
Extractor. They used to have those in the old-fashioned laundromats. You put your laundry in there and it spins most of your water out, and then you only need 1 quarter on the dryer. But people got rid of them. Now you spend more quarters on the dryer.
Shoot, man. It cannot supposed to be doing that. It's not.
That's a lot.
Yeah, that sucker was hauling some butt. Alright, and then the hot water don't stop coming out of it. So I think something is not right with this machine. I'm hungry.
And you wash your machine like this, making this noise, that's weird.
Yeah. So we need, look, so we need this threads. We need female threads to tie onto here. P-trap down and go back into 1.5 inch pipe. Right? It's 1.5 inch or 1.25 inch. So they come out 1.5 inch out the wall, and then just 1.25 inch into this sink. We're gonna just, and instead of using the P-trap little pieces, we're just gonna use a hard pipe and do it all with PVC glue. All right, to Home Depot, and to somewhere to grab a burger. Alright, we're going to grab a burger. You want anything?
Where you going?
We gotta go to Depot. Might as well grab, I don't know, something along the way, Burger King, somewhere that has some food.
Yeah, I'll take a Big Mac if you're doing that, you know, or a burger, whatever the big regular burger is.
Gotcha. And wherever we go.
Cheese on would be great. Just a burger. Yeah,